Well, hi, Carly. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Would you sing us the Peter Cottontail song, please?
Here come Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny hill. Happy, happy, he saw him right, bigger than a good boy. Faster for Easter joy. Happy, happy. What's that word?
Happy Easter Day.
Day.
Yay! Well, that's great. Thank you. Now, what did the Easter Bunny bring you today?
I don't know.
What? Did you get some peeps? Yes.
I got some peeps.
What, Evan, I can't. And what are you going to do for the rest of today, Carly? What are you going to do today? Who's coming to visit today?
No.
Grandpa and Grandma A? Okay, say Happy Easter!
Happy Easter.
Yay!